Good day everyone, my name is Kristina and currently I'm enrolled at Blue Mountain School for Hospitality Students, which is located in Australia, Melbourne. If you watch this video, it means that you're planning to go to Australia soon to study there. My congratulations and best wishes to you in your upcoming future. Today I would like to share with you valuable information regarding the application process and the documents that you need to attach so that you make your case even stronger and get your visa approved. Firstly, we have to understand that there are so many different visas, but we need to take your consideration to the one that is called Subclass 500. This visa allows you to study in Australia for your bachelor or master degree. So please make sure that you will choose exactly Subclass 500. And overall, in that application process, you will come up with 25 different pages where you have to include your personal information. Now let's talk about the documents that you need to attach to your application process, and the first thing that you need is the certificate of enrollment. So this is a particular certificate that will be given to you by the university representatives just to confirm that you're really enrolled into the academic programs for a certain period of time, and it is almost impossible to proceed later on without this document. Secondly, you have to attach your overseas health insurance cover. This is a particular document that you can get from your university representatives as well, or there are so many other insurance providers that you may find freely in Australia. For example, when I was struggling with this problem, I found the Australian Health Management and then I actually got the certificate from them. The third thing is to have your valid passport, especially for the Uzbek citizens. Please, no ID card anymore. It should be your travel passport. And one more hint for you is to make sure that you scan all the visa stamps if you had it before and if you traveled before to some other overseas countries. For example, I have made the same, and I actually accumulated all my documents in one PDF file with all my visa stamps, for example, from the US, Singapore or UAE. So another important document that you have to prepare for the embassy, it is the statement of purpose. It's a particular letter that you need to prepare for the ambassador where you will indicate in details your future intentions and plans to study in Australia. For example, you can follow a specific essay plan. First of all, you may present yourself, your interests, your educational background, as well as working experience. However, the most important part should be about the reasons, where you will explain why did you choose Australia as your destination for the future studying. Please make sure that you compare it with some other English-speaking countries like Canada, New Zealand, or some European countries as well. And you can even make a comparison with some other universities. It is essential to include what will be your plans after the completion of your program. Please indicate your future plans, what you're gonna do when you finally come back to your home country. In my case, it is Uzbekistan. So one of the most challenging parts in the application process is to provide relevant information regarding the proof of funds, or the bank statement in other words. Actually, it is necessary to show the valid information about your financial resources and a detailed plan of the program coverage. Please keep in mind that it is necessary to show to the ambassador that you do have enough money to cover not only the tuition fee, but also your living expenses and the traveling costs. So in case if your parents will be your sponsors, please ask them to provide the letter of recommendations from their work placement, as well as the pay slips for the last 6 months. Also, in case if your parents possess a particular business or they run the company, you need to provide the company's letter of the registration. Secondly, official charter of the company. The third thing is the letter from your company on officially company letterhead confirming that you do have the stable income. In addition, any other documents showing your strong ties to your home country would be a great addition to your case. such as, for example, the vehicle that is registered under your name, or a particular property if you do have it. Along with your previous documents, please attach a copy of your parents' passports and their marriage certificate. Another thing that you will need to attach is your CV or resume, where you can include all the working experience that you obtained before, along with your skills and achievements. Moreover, the certified copies of academic transcripts, along with your valid IELTS certificate or any other certificates that can prove your English language proficiency, need to be attached as well. So if you are planning to go to Australia with your spouse, or you are in a relationship right now and would like to study or travel there together, please make sure that you include all detailed information about your loved ones as well. By the way, keep in mind that almost all documents need to be translated into English language and notary signed, unless it was not issued before in English. Also, your credit or debit card needs to be ready, because after completion of all related documents, you would need access to your debit or credit card to make a final online visa fee payment. For example, the last time when I applied there, it cost me around $500, but you need to convert it, because on your online website it would be the information in the Australian dollars. So the final step would be to make the health or medical checkup in advance, even though it's not necessarily to be done on time. But do not waste your time for nothing, and do not actually wait for the embassy and their further directions, because anyway they will ask you to do so. It's very necessary to have an international clinic in your home country. For example, unfortunately in Uzbekistan we don't have such a professional hospital, and for this reason I had two choices to choose in between. For example, you could go to either Moscow or Kazakhstan to do your medical checkup. So in total it cost me around $200, excluding your traveling expenses. So to conclude, I would like to say that by following these 12 essential tips, you have a chance to prepare relevant documents, and fingers crossed you will get your visa approved soon. By the way, the visa for the master's degree that you can get, it would be for the 2 consecutive years, so you can travel, enjoy your life, and study, of course, over there. Undoubtedly, if you have previous experience, please share with your personal tips in the comments below. Anyway, good luck with your application process, subscribe and stay tuned. Bye!